see few basics identity expansions. A plus b whole the square gives us a plus b into a plus b, that is repetitive multiplication. That gives us a into a plus b into a plus b. Applying distributive property, we get a square plus ab plus b, a plus b square, which results in a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, for a minus b whole the square, it's the same a minus b into a minus b, giving us a into a minus b into a minus b. On applying distributive property, it gives us a square minus ab minus ba plus b square. On simplification, gives us a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let's take few examples to understand these expansions. We will take fractions as examples. X plus 2x upon 3 whole the square. Here x is our a, 2x upon 3 is our b. Now we know that a plus b whole the square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Applying the same formula here, x whole the square plus 2ab. ab is here x into 2x upon 3 plus b square. b square is here actually 2x upon 3 whole the square. Now if I simplify this step, I will get x square plus 4x square upon 3 plus 4x square upon 9, which is the final answer. Let's take one more example where both are fraction and we have negative sign in between. That is x upon 2 minus 3x upon 5 whole the square. Here x upon 2 is our a and 3x upon 5 is our b. So here it will be a minus b whole the square, which will give us a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is actually, what is our a? A is x by 2. So x by 2 whole the square minus 2 into x by 2, 3x by 5 plus 3x upon 5 whole the square. Now in middle term we can see we can cancel the 2 and 2. Hence we will get x square upon 4 minus 3x square upon 5 plus 9x square upon 25. Let us take one example of simple expansion, that is simple multiplication. 2x plus 3 into x minus 2. So 2x with the entire bracket x minus 2y plus 3 with the entire bracket x minus 2y. Again here we will apply distributive property, which will result in 2x square minus 4xy plus 3x minus 6y. I hope all of you have understood how do we expand this simple expansions. Thank you. Let us see one more identity, that is a plus b plus c whole the square is again a repetitive product, that is a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c, which will give us a into the entire bracket plus b into the entire bracket plus c into the entire bracket. Now let us see applying distributive property what we get. We will get a square plus ab plus ac plus ba plus b square plus bc plus ca plus cb plus c square. ab and ba are like terms, ac and ca are like terms. Similarly bc and CB are like terms. Let's put them together and see what we get. That is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Hence the entire identity looks like a plus b plus c whole the square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Now let's see if we have negative sign in between what we get. That is a minus b minus c whole the square. Let's put the negative sign in bracket and write it as a plus minus b plus minus c whole the square, which gives us a whole square plus b whole square plus c whole square plus 2 into a into minus b plus 2 into minus b into minus c plus 2 into a into minus c. We are applying the above identity. Let us see what we are getting. That is a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab plus 2bc minus 2ac. Let us see one more identity, that is x plus y into x minus y gives us x into the entire bracket plus y into the entire bracket. On applying distributive property, we will get x square minus xy plus yx minus y square. Yx gets cancelled, giving us x square minus y square. Hence x plus y into x minus y is x square minus y square. Let's take one example on this. 2x plus 1 upon 2x, 2x minus 1 upon 2x. A plus b into a minus b will give us a square, that is 2x whole the square, minus b square, that is 1 upon 2x whole the square. Finally, we get 4x square minus 1 upon 4x square. Let us take one complex example of the same. 3 minus y into 3 plus y into 9 plus y square. The first two red brackets gives us a minus b into a plus b, which results in a square minus b square, that is 9 minus y square into 9 plus y square. Again applying the same identity, it will give us 81 minus y raised to 4. Thank you.